Hey guys, what's up? Once again, I hope that you are hungry because tonight we are making stuffed mushrooms. Okay, so for this recipe, you will be needing mushrooms, tomatoes, peppers, of course, basil pesto. I use it all the time. Onions, spinach, sun-dried tomato pesto, roasted red peppers, and a sauce of your choice. Okay guys, we are going to be needing some garlic powder, some parsley, some oregano flakes, peppercorn medley if you have it, some olive oil spray, ground black pepper, and Mediterranean sea salt. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take all of those lovely seasonings that I just mentioned to you guys, and we're going to dash it into our ground beef or your meat of your choice. Make sure that you are working this into the meat. We're also going to be taking the oil from our roasted red peppers and pouring it into the ground beef. So mix this up. Next, we're going to be taking a tablespoon of our basil pesto and dropping it into our ground beef or our meat of choice, and then doing the same with our sun-dried tomato pesto. Go ahead and mix this up really good. Next, we're going to be cutting up our tomatoes, our peppers, and our onions. You want to cut these to a reasonable size, honestly, to your liking. Just keep in mind that they are fitting into mushrooms. This peppercorn medley is so good. It gives it a nice little spice. I'm just seasoning up my vegetables as well because delicious. Okay, so this is the most complicated part, but I promise, just watch. It's actually really easy. You're going to take a spoon and gut the core of your mushroom out. Go ahead and just scrape the inside of this mushroom. You want to really gut it. Also, be very gentle. You do not want to puncture a hole through your mushroom. This is fixable, however, only on the sides. If you puncture a hole in the middle of your mushroom, to hell with it, okay? Throw it away. Once all of your mushrooms are gutted, guys, you are going to be putting your ground beef in the pan and cooking this down with your peppers and your onions. Go ahead, once you feel like everything is simmered down enough, you are going to be adding your spinach into this mix. Wait until the spinach gets semi-cooked down and you're going to be adding the sauce of your choice. I personally love vodka sauce, okay? Add some cheese into this mixture once it's finished. Go ahead, place it in the bowl, and now we are going to be stuffing the mushrooms, okay? Very easy, very simple. Tablespoon, teaspoon, scoop it in. Make sure that you get all the onions and the peppers that you like in each mushroom. Go ahead, place them in a Pyrex, and then we are going to be putting them into the oven on 400 for about 20 minutes. So once my mushrooms went in the oven, I decided that I was going to make some potatoes and some cauliflower rice for my family to have sides. Oh my God, I wish I could eat potatoes right now, y'all. But listen, just chopped them up, put them in another Pyrex, season them up, sprayed some oil on them, and put them in the oven for about another 20 minutes. Okay guys, dinner is done. Get into these stuffed mushrooms, okay? Look at the colors, like just get into it. I did stuff some peppers for my cousin. She doesn't like mushrooms. However, this meal was a banger. I hope that you guys absolutely love it. Thumbs up this video, comment, like, and please do not forget to subscribe.